right, everybody, here we are again, another new construction project. This one is a little further along than the last one we saw, but not complete for sure. This one actually was on the market and then they just took it off. Can't remember the price point on this one, but just reach out if you have any interest. I can let you know and get any information you want. This one is on Prospect Street in Franklin. Actually, as you look around, there's a couple of lots. If you're interested in potentially just buying a lot and having your own builder come in, design it, build your own home, that's something that's definitely a possibility. We can talk to the seller who currently he's got a couple lots that's available for. He actually has another home that's partially built and that's under construction down the road that you can't quite see from here. But anyway, let's go take a look. Hey, here we are on the inside of Lot 4. Prospect Street in Franklin. I had to bring my cheat sheet because everything is so early in the process of construction that I'm not sure where the stuff goes. So I got the specs here and the plans with me so I can kind of show you. First of all, it's going to be a 3-car garage. Actually, if you could come over this way and take a quick look in here. Siding's all done. Windows are done. So it's kind of sealed up a little bit, at least from the elements. When you first walk in here, this is going to be like a bit of a mud room. And then in here, we'll call this a powder room, basically a half bath. That'll be right in here. And then coming in here, this is where the kitchen is going to be. Okay, now here we are, standing in the make-believe kitchen, or it's going to be the kitchen anyway. So the sink, countertops are going to go here. These are going to be the cabinets. I'm going to have a range top over here. There is going to be a center island. Actually, you can kind of see it out on the floor a little bit. And then actually right behind you, take a look there. I mean, obviously new construction, so they didn't do anything with the landscaping yet, but this is all going to be finished up quite nicely. Nice, quiet, wooded area in the back. And off to the side is going to be the living room. You could have like a kitchen table here in the middle too if you want, but also there'll be the TV over the gas fireplace. Okay, so once you come up to the stairs, as you can see, we saw from below, here's the view from above, overlooking the stairway in the front entrance. Come in through here, this is going to be a ginormous master bedroom suite. This is where the door is going to be. This area here is going to be the master bathroom with commode, shower stall. I'm not even sure what else they're going to be. Dual vanity, I think they're going to be putting a tub in over there. Yeah, so it's going to be a pretty sweet setup. Left and right, we have his and hers closets. If you can't guess by the size, this is the smaller one. This would be the his closet. This is the nice big one. Both of them walk in, but this would obviously be the hers closet. All right, and here we are in the ginormous, I know I've said that a lot, but it's a really big bedroom portion. There's a lot of open space here to do almost anything you would like. Under the eaves, these are where the eaves are. These are going to be all storage for extra storage space. All right, now here we have the upstairs full bath for the rest of the bedrooms. As you can see there, that's where the tub's going to be. There's going to be a dual vanity, dual vanity sink right in here. Commode's going to be in the corner. And I think this is going to be a closet. Not 100% sure, but I think that's going to be a closet. And then you get the tub and shower combination here. And then if you want to keep walking right over here, we have the second bedroom, bedroom number 2. That's going to be right in this area. And then I'll take you on over to see bedrooms 3 and 4. Okay, as promised, here's bedroom 2. Actually we had bedroom 2 over there, so this one's actually bedroom 3. This one's bedroom 4. I already showed you the bath, but this area here is going to be basically just for the laundry, so it's its own laundry room. And then we have access over here to a 3rd story walk-up attic. But given it's like 90 bajillion degrees today, we're not going to go up there and take a look. I don't want to die of heat exposure. All right, so this is pretty much concluding the tour today of Block 4 on Prospect Street in Franklin. As you can see, we're ready to go. Still plenty of time to make some customizations. If that's the case, just give me a call. I can get you in. We can take a better look, give you some more specs, a little more details. As you can see, across the street, just a gorgeous field. And if you're familiar with Franklin, you know Prospect Street is great access to the computer rail as well as shopping. So any questions, you can reach out 978-835-0961 or contact me, eStrange Realty at erakey.com or it's erakeyrealty.net. That's about it. So I hope you guys have a great day and you enjoyed this. Take care.